Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel, we will solve competitive programming questions using C++. In this, first of all, we have to understand what the problem is trying to say. Okay, so in this problem, chef is currently standing at stair 0 and he wants to reach stair number X. Okay, chef can climb either Y steps or 1 steps in one move. Okay, then find the minimum number of moves required by him to reach exactly the stair number X. Basically, it is ट्राइंग टू से दैट एक चेफ है जो कि स्टेयर नंबर 0 पे स्टैंड कर रहा है, उसको स्टेयर नंबर x तक पहुंचना है. उसके पास एक कंडीशन है कि या तो y स्टेप्स एक बार मिले या तो 1 स्टेप्स एक बार मिले. सो अवर इनपुट फॉर्मेट इज गिवन हियर एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू द इनपुट फॉर्मेट वी हैव टू give the outcome of this problem. Okay, so what is the outcome? That we have to find the minimum number of moves required by him to reach exactly the stair number of x. ठीक है, बेसिकली हम लोग को मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ मूव्स निकालने हैं जब वो स्टेयर नंबर x पर पहुंच जाए. ओके, सो हियर इज अवर सैंपल आउटपुट. This is our sample output. Okay, so first of all we will understand what is the input format. Okay, so in this input format we have to take three variables. First is t and other two are x and y. Okay, the variables may be any and may be of any name. Okay, so first variable we will take as a number of test cases, and the other two variables x and y, in which x will denote the number of stairs which f wants to reach, and y will denote the number of stairs he can climb in one move. First we will code, then I will explain this code to you. Okay, first we will take integer of t variable, that will denote our number of test cases. Okay, we will take this input, then we will apply while loop which will iterate over the number of test cases. Okay, then we will take two variables, int x comma y, then we will take input of these two variables. Okay, so now comes the logical part. Okay, so in the logical part we have clearly seen that there are two conditions. One is for x when x is greater than y. Okay, when x is greater than y, and other is when y is greater than x. Okay, when y is greater than x, 4 and 3. Okay, so when the condition comes we will use if else condition statement. Okay, then we will use if else. When x is greater than y, we will execute cout. I will explain you later in this video. Okay, now comes the else part. As you can see, and L is the most important part because we have to output the answer in each new line. Okay, so here is our code got completed. So I will explain you. So in the first case, when x is greater than y, okay, when we have taken two inputs x and y, where x denotes the number of the stair number at which the chef wants to reach, and y denotes the minimum number of moves that he has taken to reach at the point x. Okay, so in the first condition, when x is greater than y. Okay, so when x is greater than y, like we will take 8 and 3. Okay, so when we will take 8 and 3, सो हम लोग के पास दो ऑपरेटर हैं, ठीक है, एक कोसेंट ऑपरेटर एंड एक मॉडुलो ऑपरेटर। बेसिकली कोसेंट ऑपरेटर को डिवीजन ऑपरेटर भी कहते हैं, ठीक है। तो हम लोग कोसेंट ऑपरेटर से व्हेन वी हैव 8 and 3, okay. So when we will use quotient operator, it will, or division operator, it will give the quotient of the answer as it is the integer variable, so it will only give integer part, that is 2, okay. Then we will left with the 2 as a remainder because 3 2 just 6 and 2 is still left, okay. So we can't leave it because we have to give the output correctly. So when two of the remainder is left, so we will be using modulo operator, which will give the remainder, okay. So we will add it with it, okay. Then x modulo y, यानी कि सॉरी, ये हम लोग का डिवीजन ऑपरेटर था, सॉरी। then 8 modulo 2 which will give remainder 2, okay. So बेसिकली यहाँ पे हम लोग 8 अगर डिवाइड बाई 2 कर 8 डिवाइडेड बाई 3 करते तो 3 2 6, तो आंसर हम लोग का 2 आता है, और 8 मॉडुलो 2 किया है तो रिमाइंडर भी 2 आएगा. सो वी विल ऐड दिस, सो 2 + 2 = 4. ओके, done. Then we will see that our output is 4, so this logic is correct. Then now else part comes. Okay, else part is basically हम लोग का जब y greater than x होगा तब else part execute होगा. Okay, as in the condition it is stated that. Okay, so when y is greater than x यानी कि 3 and 4 in this case. Okay, तो y 4 है और 3 हम लोग का y हम लोग का 4 है और 3 हम लोग का x है. ठीक है, तो y ग्रेटर देन x है तो हम लोग के पास बेसिकली y हम लोग का जो एक 1 स्टेप एट अ टाइम था तो वो 4 स्टेयर्स एट अ टाइम है. ओके, सो जब हमको 3 पोजीशन में पहुंचना है तो हम 4 स्टेयर्स ले नहीं सकते, इसलिए हम लोग 1 स्टेयर्स पे चढ़ेंगे, क्योंकि ऐसे इसमें ऊपर प्रॉब्लम में दिया हुआ है कि जब हम लोग y स्टेप्स नहीं ले सकते तब हम लोग 1 स्टेप इन 1 मूव लेंगे. ओके, सो व्हेन वी विल टेक 1 स्टेप्स एट 1 मूव, देन we will total of 3 steps. Okay, so there is 3, so it will return 3, so it is correct. Okay, now why we have used this AND part? Basically this AND part is used for for giving the output in every new line. Okay, so as we have to display our output in every new line, so we have used this AND part. Okay, now we will compile and run this. Okay, so it got successfully executed. Okay, so this program is correct. I think this program is basically correct. Okay, so do subscribe my channel and like this video. Stay tuned for further updates. Okay.